Is your Windows PC slow? Fix it now. 10 easy steps in 1 minute. Step 1. Restart and close background apps. Free up memory and clear temporary processes. Step 2. Disable unnecessary startup programs in Task Manager to speed boot times. Step 3. Uninstall unused apps and bloatware to reclaim disk space. Step 4. Run disk cleanup and storage sense to remove temporary files. Step 5. Optimize drives. Defragment HDDs or trim SSDs for better performance. Step 6. Update Windows and device drivers. Install available updates now. Step 7. Scan for malware with Windows Defender or trusted antivirus tools. Step 8. Adjust visual effects for best performance or choose balanced settings. Step 9. Back up your data, then upgrade to an SSD or add RAM for a big boost. Step 10. As a last resort, reset or clean install Windows. Remember to back up first. Done. Check before and after metrics. Faster boot, lower CPU, smoother apps. Try one step today.